Times I want to question some of the man-made traditional thinking and concepts. In fact, a concept like the law of the jungle, the survival of the fittest, the showcasing utter dominance by one against many. But in the jungle, there's nothing like that. Jungle is an ecosystem. An ecosystem, there's a coexistence, cohabitation, and there's nothing called survival of the fittest there. There is no animal like lion or elephant try to dominate another tribe or another sector. It all depends on the needs for coexistence. When they need food, they probably go after a deer or a rabbit, and once they fill their stomach, they rest somewhere. They don't accumulate so much of food for the next day. Unprecedented accumulation is not there in the jungle. Otherwise, the lions and the elephants and all these big forceful animals like that would continuously dominate and kill so many animals and accumulate and store somewhere in some lane or some place. It doesn't happen like that. It's based on the need to coexist. So that's why in the jungle, the trees, the plants, the animals, the insects, the birds, all of them are coexisting. It's an ecosystem. Ecosystem is an organism. In an organism, everybody dependent on each other, from the smallest to the biggest. It's like a human body. The human body, we have the head, but the head is dependent on even the smallest of the toe of the feet. Interdependent. The reliance is absolutely essential in an organism. What happens is, the man always try to organize things. The organizations has a head, the hierarchy, the dominance, the silo systems that operates. The organizations, life depends on the hierarchy, and the life is not sustainable for a long period of time because organizations have their own time limits. Because the hierarchy has various challenges to survive. In an organism, the life flows seamlessly to every ecosystem there. Ladies and gentlemen, sometimes if you look at yourself or your family or your institution or your company as an organization, then you try to identify various heads and place this head, that head, and try to dominate and not allow coexistence. Whatever the size and the shape of the species, there has to be a coexistence, cohabitation. That's the strength of an ecosystem, which is an organism. Look at the universe. Universe is not an organization, it's an organism. There's so many things like the galaxies, the Milky Ways, the black holes, the solar systems, the suns, moons, and trillions of stars. There is coexistence, the cohabitation. So is the jungle. We have to move away from the organization culture into organism culture. In the organism, there's a respect for everyone, irrespective of the shape and the size. There's a dependence on each other, irrespective of the shape and the size. Interdependence, cohabitation, coexistence is the life and the nature of the organism. But whereas organization is the domination, accumulation, egocentric, lifestyles that runs the organizations in compared to organisms which depends and coexist and life flows seamlessly.